It's here! I'm so excited about this package that just arrived. It's from Jack of the Dust. I have ordered one of his art pieces and so excited to get this unboxed and show it off to all of you all. Also, is this a little Easter egg on the front of the box with the hand holding a skull? I don't know, it's fragile though. So I've been a big fan of Jack's work. I think a lot of people are, just from all the Instagram posts and YouTube stories and TikToks that you've seen of just making amazing cultural art pieces, a lot of times including some kind of skull fragmentation there. Just recently, he's created a piece of a character that I oh so enjoy. So there was no way that I was gonna pass this one up and figured, why not jump on it and try to pick up one of these pieces. They are expensive, but they are all made. It's made by an artist. This is an art piece. It's not something that's 3D printed or mass replicated and produced. This is something that you could own and a piece of art history, if you will. So inside that box was another box, and this is the actual box that's gonna have the art piece in it. Jack of the Dust on one side. Andy was here on this side here, and then there's a note on top here mentioning to handle with care, open from this side only, and to make sure that you're wearing gloves before handling the artwork. I'm gonna lift the top up so I don't accidentally damage anything to cut the seal. Everything's extremely well packaged. Came all the way from Australia to here in upstate New York in Rochester. Move the bubble wrap here. Now I don't have any fancy art gloves, but I do have these latex gloves that I use for resin 3D printing things. Carefully take this out of the box here. Oh, and there's a little, oh, here we go. A handwritten card. It says Uncle Jessy on it. That's so cool. All right, let's see what's inside this before we open up the art piece. Let's see what, oh, actually, here we go. It actually contains some soft gloves for me to work with the art piece with, so I can remove these. Death certificate here showing this is a legit piece of artwork from him. This was produced on the 8th of November, which is around when I ordered this as well. And it was the 43rd piece that he produced of this specific one. There's also a card inside that says, hey, Uncle Jessy, congratulations on securing your blank here. Thanks for supporting Jack of the Dust. Is this handwritten? No one writes like this. No one has art hand penmanship this clean and this cool looking. Maybe he does. Really well packaged. You can probably guess what this is by now. Gosh, this is so cool. Gosh, that is rad. It's got some real heft to it as well. And the bait, like obviously the artwork and craftsmanship here is just phenomenal. The base is like a nice matte, just flat black, which pairs very nicely here with this Wolverine head. Decapitated head, by the way. It's just completely ripped off the base there. Extremely weathered, which I love. I'm all about that. And it's just, the texture on this is unbelievable how cool this piece is. I am honestly so happy that I went off and bought this, and the results that I'm seeing from it as well. That's how soft, or not soft, but how smooth the adamantium skull is as well. So I now need to figure out where I'm gonna put this on display. I'm still working on the front area of my studio, getting that all set up. More than likely, this is gonna go up on display somewhere up there. There is a note also to keep this out of direct sunlight as well, so sitting it in front of a window is probably not gonna be the best idea, but I'm so over the top happy with the piece here that I've received. And yeah, I'll have linked to, if you haven't already haven't seen his work, I'll have links to it down below as well to the site. Occasionally he puts pieces up for sale, and you have to be really quick on the draw with being able to get your hands on some of these pieces. Again, they are rather expensive. However, it is an actual artist that is making these and painting these and finishing these and then sending them out to you. And you're really gonna get some unique pieces here. this is overall, so as you can see, I'm just extremely happy with this piece here. I want to say thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you're interested in more about this, I'll have links to it down below in Jack's site. Again, thanks again for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye now. Also, Jack, if by chance you end up watching this, we're gonna need a saber tooth to pair with Wolverine. God, friggin' cool. I don't know how to end this video. Like, I'm just kind of blown away, kind of nervous holding this thing, honestly. Feeling very, very nervous. Like I don't want to drop this. I'm known to break things, so I need to be very, extremely cautious with, maybe I should just leave it in the bubble wrap.